Engineering controls are products and equipment that can eliminate or minimize your workplace exposure. Contaminated sharps include any contaminated object that can penetrate the skin, including, but not limited to, needles, scalpels, broken glass, broken capillary tubes, and exposed ends of dental wire. Safer controls can help limit risk. Controls such as proper sharps disposal containers, self-sheathing needles, injury protection sharps and needleless systems, and appropriate containers for the storage, transport, shipping, or disposal of blood or OPIM. Containers must be marked by the biohazard symbol on a red or red-orange background.